How to open Lloyds Bank account for international students. First up, in order to create a bank account, all you have to do is go to any web browser of your choice and search up Lloyds Bank account for international students in the search bar as you can see on the screen. After searching this, you can see plenty of options on your screen, among which you need to click the one that says Student Current Account, Current Accounts Lloyds Bank. This will take you to the website where you can create a student account as an international student. Click on this link and then you will be redirected to a new page. After a few seconds, it might load, and here you can see that it says Student Current Account and the smart way to manage your money. When scrolling down a little bit, you can see the eligibility criteria to make a student, and upon fulfilling the criteria, all you can do is scroll down to the bottom of the page where you have an option to apply for student current account as you can see on the screen. Click on this option that says apply for a student current account, and after you have done so, you will then be redirected to the create account page. Here you will have a few information that you have to put into, but they ask a few basic questions first. After you have filled in the information, click on continue, and then you will be asked a few questions about yourself. The informations that are asked includes your first name, your middle name, your last name, your gender, your title, your phone number, email address, date of birth, and country of birth. It also asks if you are a tax resident outside the UK. After this, click on continue, and then you will be able to easily open a Lloyds Bank account as an international student. We hope this tutorial helped you. Thank you for watching, and do subscribe to our channel for more useful videos.